In a sale, all normal prices are reduced by 15%. The normal price of a guitar is £140. Work out the sale price of the guitar. The normal price of a piano is reduced by £42. Work out the normal price of a piano. The normal prices are reduced by 15%. That means that there will be 85% left of the normal price. So, if that is true, the sale price will be equal to 0.85. Now, 0.85 is the multiplier for 85%, and therefore of in mathematics is multiply, and then it's of 140, which gives me £119. This is the sale price. Now, in the second part, the normal price of the piano is represented by £42. Sorry, the normal price of the piano is reduced by £42. So therefore £42 represents 15%. Therefore 1% will be represented by 42 divided by 15, which is equal to 2.08. And then the normal price is 100%. Which is going to be 100 times 2.80, which gives me £280. So this has been a video to show you how to do percentage change. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.